Alright. So, here it is. It's high tide. This is the La Jolla camp next to my house. My house is down there where the little white 5-gallon jugs are on the wind fence. This is the La Jolla camp next door. And there's the cliffs of Dover. The antenna's up on the hill there. That's where Marilyn lives. She's the gal that bought my motorhome. There's the island. Some fishing boats. Over that way is Tijuana in the United States. And there's a cargo container ship. That's Ensenada. Right there on the other side of that container ship. Then you come over here and go through a couple of little towns, and then you're out to my house. And here's 100 yards in front of me is where the hot springs are. Agua caliente, as they say in my country. So, here's the guys doing work. They're viewing me. I know that guy. That's Alex. I'll go talk to him.